good.
Good news, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fantastic. Two tucked in the corner.
Yeah. I was going to say, I can see that.
It's like I come in, I saw the two large ones, and I saw three small ones, and I saw the fourth one was taking a picture of it tucked around the back. And I'm thinking, where's the other big one? It's still up there swimming. The lake swimming.
Filming, eh?
Yeah. So I let it do sound. But I just get nothing but bloody
Submarine noise, yeah.
And like does a train, you know?
They were playing it around the whole aquarium.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Jeez. Cool. And the fact that they're hatched all on their own as well.
Yeah, it's nice. Good.
Just a shame we haven't actually...
one there,
yeah, it's not far off. It's just a shame that we haven't actually managed to capture the hatching on camera.
Yeah, we could set up the GoPro, but it's just broken. Did you hear about it?
No.
So give it to the octopus and open the case. Spoil it.
Good.
Would be good to get it on video.
Yeah. These three will probably hatch, I don't know, sometime the next week or so, I think.
Yeah, they're looking nearly there.
Yeah.
Those hydroids are spreading like wildfire, aren't they?
Yeah, I'm surprised they've actually managed to get in there.